There are a few things to consider when purchasing cleats for your Peloton bike. First, you'll want to make sure that the cleats are compatible with your Peloton shoes. Second, you'll want to consider the type of riding you'll be doing most often. Third, you'll want to choose cleats that offer good support and comfort. Here are 10 great options to consider. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Cycling Deal compatible with Peloton Look Delta bike cleats. When you see black cleats, then your next judgment should be fixed cleats, meaning that the cleats do not have a float. If this is your preference, then these bike cleats are the best option. They are fully compatible with Look Delta, hence Peloton compatible cleats. They are a construction of strong and heavy-duty engineering thermoplastic, which is quality and thus highly durable. Moreover, the cleats are stable, given that they are adjustable 3-hole stage resistant in arrangement. The 0-degree float likewise facilitates this, making the cleats a great fixed equipment choice for Peloton. Finally, the package consists of 2 cleats, 6 cleat washers and 6 cleat mounting bolts for full installation. Hence, the clipping in and clipping out is smooth, as the cleats are precise for this purpose. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the BV bike cleats. Concerned about lateral movement that will help prevent joint injury? You have a winning bet with BV bike cleats. Being 3-hole and compatible with Look Delta, they qualify for a Peloton bike pedal cleat. Besides, the pedals are strong and durable, having a construction of heavy-duty thermoplastic. In any case, they weigh only 52 grams, which is impressively good for spinning. For ultimate stability and precision, the cleats come with 6 washers and 6 bolts, other than the pair of cleats. The top level of power transfer, coupled with the 9-degree float, make the cleats quite essential in improving your Peloton performance. And boom! Soon you will be topping on the leaderboard. Number 3 on our list. We have the Look Delta Road cleats. If you have been having cleat issues such as creaking sounds, then it is time you switched to a bi-material cleat. The best option for fixed cleats? The Look Delta brand cleats, which features a white Teflon material. The Look Standard and 3 holes is one of the market references for the cleats for Peloton bike, right? And it is not in vain, as we will see of this cleat. First off, the Look Delta cleats Peloton highly recommends allows for dual disengagement and engagement. This will greatly enhance your safety, as you can remove it from inside or outside the foot. Then, the black cleats are completely fixed, which means that side movements between the pedal and the cleats is eliminated. For professional cyclists, this is a hot cup of coffee in winter. At number 4 on our list, we have the Mark Look Delta compatible cleats. When looking for great floating cleats at a value cost, Mark bike cleats will be a non-disappointing choice, costing slightly less than $14. Most importantly, they are durable due to the thermoplastic material, despite being lightweight, 50 grams per. Then they come with a 9-degree float, which prevents injury by ensuring lateral movement while spinning. The 3-hole Peloton shoes cleats come in a package of 2 cleats, 6 washers and 6 cleat bolts, which is a full set of all the setup requirements. To sum it up, the cleats are universal, fitting both men and women's cycling shoes in the 3-hole design. At number 5 on our list, we have the Shimano SPDSL cleat set. Are you a Shimano die-hard who would prefer the brand for all your cycling needs? Well, since Peloton allows for SPDSL cleats, then these Shimano cleats can now be your cleats for Peloton. Fundamentally, Shimano cleats allow you to walk in cleated shoes, and this is no different in these Peloton-compatible cleats. The walking point further gives you a better traction on the bike just before you clip in and after clipping out. You haven't heard at all, because these cleats are in a plastic material that ensures they wear out in place of the pedals, hence a longer lifespan for your bike pedals. In addition, the cleats have a 6-degree float, which is moderate. Hence it will absolutely accommodate both beginners and professional spinners. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.